Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command C:" and simply press enter. Then type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space System32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren C:/boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.